Hop inside an Audi, then I hit the dash. Shawty know I only care about the cash. Big guns, big sticks, big racks. She asked me how I got it, said I got it like that. I'll get it when I want it. Smoking marijuana, keep it hotter than a sauna. Smoking till the sun.
Blue collar builds. Today we're just going to show you how to install a hitch on a 2018 to 2025 JL Wrangler. Alright guys, so any aftermarket hitch assembly you get for a 2018 to 25 JL Wrangler is going to come with the following. It's going to come with 4 through bolts, 4 washers, 4 lock washers, and 4 nuts. I will say with everyone that I've done, 2 of these are pretty much, you're not going to use them. You can pretty much set those aside. You'll reuse your factory hardware, and you'll see that when we go to install it. Here's the hitch itself. You can see where the 4 bolts go through, and yeah, for this particular job, we'll need a 18 mil to take off the factory bolts and reinstall them. These bolts are actually 13/16 that come with this kit. You'll need 2 of these wrenches. You'll need a 10 mil, and it helps to have a pry bar to make yourself some space. You'll see once we get under there. All right, guys, so here we are under the Jeep. We'll just grab our 10 mil here. We're gonna take these 2 bolts. This is just to be able to pry that bracket apart a little bit. Grab your 18. Get on there, would you? Oh, she's a little tight. We'll just do our old 2 wrench trick here. Break that free. Oh God, Murphy's Law. Oh. We might grab a socket for that, to be honest with you. But I'll try this side first, just to make sure that I'm not just being a little sissy boy. That is a possibility. All right, we're moving now. Let's get these all the way backed out. That's where it would come in handy to have an 18 mil ratcheting wrench, but that's all right. Such is life. It is cold out today. You're probably wondering, why are you laying on your back out in the cold doing this? Well, I'm completely honest with you. In my quest for a lift in 35s, forgot to measure to see if the Jeep would actually fit into the garage. So here we are. Here we are. Being miserable. But what can you do, I guess? Bigger garage, I guess. Got a hole in the door. Okay. That's one. Well, almost one. Excellent. Work on getting number 2 out now. See how that bracket's getting loose, right? See that? Get out. That's it. Get. All right. All right. So now what we want to do is squeeze this dog right up in there, like that. Get that hole lined up. I suggest getting your 2 factory bolts. We're going to start by getting those started just to hold it up, right? Make our lives a little easier in the long run, I think. In there. Okie doke. Just like that. Now, as I said before, our kit came with extra bolts. I'm going to actually use one of those washers on this end. It's probably not necessary, but it's there. Might as well use it. far as I'm concerned, it's not going to hurt anything. Now I just got to get them through the holes here. There's one. Yeah, one. Again, double up that washer. Just make me feel a little bit better about things. Make me feel like not so much of a hack. What's going on with you? You little devil. Get in the hole. Well, just thread her in, I guess. Wants to be complicated. What are we up against? Life? What in the world? We'll try to back this bolt out first. Might help us get this guy in. Not really sure what the deal with that is. Why it's being complicated. Oh. Okay, what do we got going on? You're just slightly out of whack for some reason. Why? I don't know. But it is. Make sure the bolt fits through there normally. Look at that. And it don't. So, that is a bit of an issue, isn't it? I'm just confused as to why the other one fits so good with no issues whatsoever. Where is the other one? In there. Exact same size. That hole is no good. So, gonna have to ream that out. So we're just gonna ream out the top of that hole just a little bit. Will she go now? It's on the go. Oh yeah, she'll go now, I think. Seems like it. Well, we're gonna do the smart thing here. We're gonna work from that side over, I think. Once I actually get it in there. Get that up in there. There's our hole. See, at least this is showing the type of things that you may run into on your quest to get a hitch installed, right? There's no, what am I trying to say here? Anyway, lost my train of thought there, fellers. What can you do? Show must go on, I guess. Where you got to get those two up in there, very, very tight space, just for reference, right? So that's where you got to get those washers and the nut up into, right up in there. Pretty tight spot, but put those on, torque it down to 60 foot-pounds, and that's installed. Done. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the first ever episode of Blue Collar Builds. We got that hitch installed. Like and subscribe. Follow along. I got a lot of exciting things coming down the pipeline. I'm planning on building a trailer next for some slight camping off-road use. Probably pick up a project in the spring, an old car. I've been eyeing a few things up. So yeah, just follow along if you want more content like this. Let me know what you want to see, and yeah, I'll try to make it happen. I work rotational work. I got 3 weeks every 3 weeks that I got nothing going on but time to work on stuff. So I think I'm gonna give this a shot. Let me know if you liked it. Thanks for watching.